welcome to the wild. Today, we are going on an amazing adventure to discover the most incredible wild animals on our planet. From the mighty lion to the clever monkey, the wild is full of surprises. Are you ready? Let's go. Our journey begins with the king himself, the lion, with a powerful roar. Lions rule the African savanna. They live in groups called prides and are expert hunters. Look at them chasing their prey. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? That's louder than a rock concert. Next, we meet the elephant, the largest land animal on earth. These gentle giants love to splash in the water and use their long trunks to grab food and drink. Look at them playing in the river. Fun fact, an elephant trunk has over 40,000 muscles. That's more than the muscles in a human body. Speeding through the grasslands, here comes the cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world. It can run up to 75 mph faster than a race car. Cheetahs use their long tails to balance while running at high speeds. Incredible, right? Now, let's look up. The giraffe is the tallest animal on earth, reaching up to 18 feet high. That's taller than a bus. They use their long necks to eat leaves that other animals can't reach, a perfect design by nature. Shh, look closely. This is a snake, one of the snakiest hunters in the wild. Some snakes use venom, while others squeeze their prey tightly. But don't worry, not all snakes are dangerous. Did you know snakes smell with their tongues? That's how they find food. Wow, the wild is full of amazing creatures. From the powerful lion to the speedy cheetah, every animal plays an important role in nature. Which wild animal is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing animal adventures.